When you're selling your service, one of the most annoying things is managing your leads. Some people are using Google Sheets, others are using Airtable, Notion, or even legit CRMs. But whatever you pick, the problem is always the same. You have to update everything manually and it sucks. In this video, I will show you step by step how you can easily build AI CRM agents that will update your CRM for you so that you can focus on the most important thing, selling. If you hate admin work and want to eliminate repetitive tasks, you're in the right place. Alright guys, so in this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to take the example of an SEO agency. Typically, this type of agencies, so digital marketing agencies, they all have their founders doing sales, or they have a mini sales team, and some of them, they also have a virtual assistant helping them managing leads, but they are all depressed because they are spending so much time like in admin work to update leads in the CRM, whether they're using like Google Spreadsheets, Notion, or legit CRMs like pipedrive. And so the time they lose is insane. And so our goal in this video will be to set up AI CRM agents to eliminate admin work. And so by focusing 100% of the time on selling, they will look much happier and much richer, which is positive because if they look richer, it also means you are getting richer. So with that being said, how you can set this up? Alright, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Google and you're gonna type Breakcold. From there, you're gonna click on the website, and on the top right, you're gonna click on Try Breakcold free. Or you can click in the link in the description. From there, you're gonna put your email address and you're gonna sign up. And then we're gonna arrive on this onboarding where there's a few steps to complete, which is very important for the AI to understand what your business is about so that then the AI can manage your leads on your behalf. So for that, we're gonna do the onboarding with the information that are requested. So I'm gonna type my full name. When it comes to the company, I will go with the like SEO agency we talked about, which is Embark. So I'm just gonna type like Embark. How big is the team? I'm gonna say 5 to 10. How did you hear about us? I'm just gonna say YouTube here, and I'm gonna click on continue. From there, they're gonna ask you for your website. So if you don't have a website, it's not a problem, but if you have a website, it's much better because having a website will help the AI to analyze the whole website so that it can understand your business, and which will help it along the way to manage leads automatically without you to do anything. So I'm gonna click on analyze website and I'm gonna wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, now we need to describe our business. So you can do it by text or doing by voice messages. But essentially, it's again to give context, additional context to the AI so that they can manage leads on your behalf. So I'm going to describe the business right now. So I am running an SEO agency and basically we are helping our clients to rank on the first page of Google with blog posts and also backlinks, as well as helping them rank in like ChatGPT and Perplexity, basically in LLMs with our content online. You're gonna click on finish and then you're gonna click on continue. Then the software will ask you for your sales process. So you're gonna do the exact same and explain your sales process quickly. So most of our leads, they are coming from our website. At Embark, we have a place where they can book a demo. So this is pretty much how we're getting leads. This is our sales process. From there, what we typically do, which is very important as an SEO agency, is that we do an audit of the website, which is free. And so we use it a lot as a lead magnet, for example, on X or LinkedIn. This is how we attract leads. And from there, with my sales team, we are trying to turn those free SEO audits into actual clients. And we also have like a few existing clients that are bringing us referrals, which is also a lever to grow the business. This is typically how you can describe your sales process. Then you're gonna click on continue. Then this step, you can skip it. It's not very important. So you're gonna click on continue. And then you're going to select the channels where you are active. So here I'm just going to select email and LinkedIn because most businesses are active on those channels. Then I'm going to skip this. And now I'm gonna wait about like 20 seconds, 30 seconds for the AI to analyze everything that we gave it to them. And from there, it will set up the AI CRM agents. So as you can understand right now, there's virtually no setup. And then I'm gonna just show you how it works. All right, so after you will arrive on this page and you need to connect your email account and LinkedIn account or other socials. But essentially the setup is now finished. And I just need to explain to you how things work because now the AI is already able to move leads automatically on your behalf and managing leads. All right, so the first thing is if you go to Vision right here and you click on Configure Vision, you will see that automatically with what we've given to the AI during the onboarding, the CRM automatically created like different CRM lists. One list for our sales pipeline, one list for our active clients, and one list for our referral partners. And if I click on those lists, it's basically like a sales pipeline. It's just a workflow view of it. And you can see that you have new leads, then audit sent, so SEO audit sent, qualification, proposal sent, and it's pretty much the same here for active clients. There's a specific customer journey as well as for referral partners. But if you notice on the right hand side, there's actually like a small prompt on the right every single time. This is actually a prompt that has been auto-generated to control the AI so that AI can move leads automatically in the CRM. And so essentially what you see here on the right is every single time a mini AI agent by itself that it will be able to move leads in the right buckets depending on your email conversations as well as your social conversations. And with such system where your leads are moving automatically in the CRM, it's very easy because you can just have to do one thing is you go to the pipeline and essentially here I'm doing this manually. Depending on your email conversations, LinkedIn conversations, the leads will move automatically in the pipeline without you to do anything. And here I just have one lead because I just created the account, but you can imagine this being filled with all the different leads you're talking to in all the different buckets right here. And so from there, you can just focus on chatting with them and that's it. And so from there, you have removed all the annoying CRM admin work so that you can just see what's going on and you can focus on chatting with your leads. You can also test if the AI is moving leads in the right direction. So typically here, let's say we have a lead that is Alfred Diggory. We know that we sent him via email like a SEO audit because he requested it as part of his customer journey. Let's see if the CRM moved the leads automatically in the right bucket and we can test it. And once you're satisfied with your test, which is usually, again, like you don't even to test it because the AI is so incredibly powerful at it that it's accurate from the get-go, you can already like just focus on chatting with your leads and the leads will move automatically. So as you can see here, like the CRM determined that Alfred Diggory should go in the sales pipeline list in the audit sent stage. And it also applied a tag that is high intent, which is true because like this type of leads is like pretty, you want to close them, right? So you see it gives you the reasoning. This lead aligns with inbox inbound SEO audit funnel having been sent an audit but not showing further engagement. And so it figured out from the email conversations that it should be placed in that specific bucket. Then if you go to settings and you go to attributes and then you go to person, you're gonna notice that the CRM automatically created with AI specific custom fields adapted to your business. So for our SEO business, it created like a audit score, it created like current SEO spend and other like custom fields adapted to our business. If we go to tags, it did the same. For example, we can see that Embark is like an SEO agency for startups and therefore it created relevant tags. So one for startups, one for SaaS, which is like a niche within startups, and then for enterprise and high intent as well. And so you don't have to do any setup for this. And so essentially just by filling the onboarding we discussed, the AI will be able to move leads automatically. All right, so with that being said, let me show you how it looks like with lots of data in your CRM. All right, guys, so this is how it looks like when you have much more data in the CRM. So you can see here that I have a conversation with Charlie on LinkedIn, on email too. And if I go to the activity of the lead, you can see this little like Breakcold vision button here. And when I created the lead, automatically the CRM did it for me. It placed Charlie as a signups as a new free trial, which is relevant for me. And then Charlie booked a call, and automatically by analyzing my email, like Breakcold automatically like put Charlie in the book the call stage, and it figured out that it's a design agency for startups, and so it added the tag agency and startup. And so here I've done nothing. There was like literally zero setup to move the leads automatically. All right, so if we go back to the vision place that I showed you just earlier and we go to that customer list, by default, there's zero setup to do for the AI CRM agents to move leads automatically in the CRM. And so therefore you have nothing to do, you just chat with your leads and that's it. But if you want to influence how the AI work and if you want to control it, you can give guidance just by using natural language, which I did here. You see, I told the AI, put leads that have been subscribed for more than 2 months in that sales pipeline stage. Or you can give strict AI rules, which is much stricter. And essentially by doing this, you will help the AI or control the AI to do exactly what you want to do. For example, again, if we do this, like typically I know that Christina, she's been a customer for more than 2 months. So here I'm just testing the AI, right? Like normally you don't have to do it manually, but just a way for you to verify your hypothesis. Now it's running a little bit, but essentially in her leads profile, she has like a custom field that indicates like a subscription date. So I'm just going to show you. This is the reasoning of the AI if you want to read it. And now I'm going to go to Christina's profile. And you see, just by knowing the months of the first subscription, like the CRM figured out that this person should go to that specific stage. And so this is how easy it is to just move leads automatically and to remove like a crazy amount of admin work in your CRM. From there, you can just focus on selling, which is basically you go on the vision dashboard and you just do the conversation. As you can see, it's very easy to automate the CRM by just using natural language and let the AI do it for you. And then the only thing you have to do is just to focus on selling. So you go on this AI CRM dashboard that creates your task automatically, and you just go here and then you reply to your email, you reply to your LinkedIn messages, and you do that over and over because AI will be able to create automatically everything for you by using AI CRM agents again. And these ones are a bit different than the ones I showed you because you can customize them and find the best that fits your type of business. All right, guys, make sure to like this video and subscribe to that YouTube channel. And if you want to learn how to auto create your CRM tasks to never miss a follow-up, you can check out this video. Cheers, bye.